Mesdames et messieurs, bonsoir encore une fois. Non, pas M. Sanders, Boston. C'est un plaisir pour nous retrouver encore sur le plateau. Ça, quand on a fait un reportage backstage avec tout winner. Jeudi à la, Kounia là, nous avons best movie avec nous. Nous avons a whole cast with us. Yeah. So we're going to start with the director, Gav Celeste. How you doing, brother?
I'm doing well. I'm I'm just filled with happiness. And I'm content. So, bagage à Lou. Ou pas même Lou.
Lilou, oui. Lilou, right. Yeah. Lilou, right. Lilou.
Yeah. Well, it's heavy. Yeah.
Good. Well, we have Celeste, and then we're gonna go this way. Hey, beautiful. How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Can you introduce yourself to my people?
Sure. I'm Mia Mendez, and I played the role of Philly in Boston to Philly.
So you were the girl crying on the
yes.
movie. All right, I saw that. You the crier.
Oh, it's his fault. He was the writer, so it's his fault.
We're gonna get back to that. How you doing, brother? You were here before. That's my boy Ty.
Yeah, that's right. Thanks for remembering. Yeah.
I like the name. I like Thai food. That's how I remember his name. He kind of introduced himself like that. He's like Thai, like Thai food and stuff. You gotta tell us a little bit about the movie, brother.
Boston to Philly, it's a coming-of-age drama. It showcases the city of Philadelphia in a way that really hasn't been done before. We showcase it, we tell a love story, and we tell a story of going through adversity and tribulations and making it out okay. And we're all together in it. It's a family, the cast is a family, the crew is a family, and we are the best film of the Haitian Movie Awards. MPIH.
So,
best film right here.
How did you work with this excited guy? How was the experience? Because I want to know.
No, it was great. Ralph he's very focused, and can be a little annoying, but he knows I tell him that all the time, but in a loving way. We have like this, I don't know, brother sister thing going, but no, he's very professional, he's very focused, and he's dedicated to what he's doing and his vision. So, and of course, look what happened. So it's wonderful.
Nice. Tell us about your role in the movie.
I play Philly, Carolina, aka Philly. So
crier.
Yeah. Unfortunately.
#crier.
So when he spoke about the love story, it is a love story between Ralph's character Boston and my character Philly, and how we meet and the challenges that we both have and how that brings us together.
Nice. I like that. And Ty.
Yes, sir.
Well, Boston, Philly. You Connecticut?
Well, I'm Philly.
Or New York or something?
Yeah, well, I'm Philly born and raised,
Nice.
Yeah. Working with Ralph was, I had hair when we started.
Oh, wow.
No.
So everything dropped after this. I feel you, babe.
Ralph is cool. I love working with Ralph because Ralph is driven, as I am. He's very passionate. When he wants something done, he gets it done. And we have this beautiful project here. Not only did I act in it, but Ralph allowed me to film some of it also. So Ralph really trusts me and believed in me to help bring the character to life and bring the film to life. So I'm looking forward to working with him again.
Nice. I mean, it's the first interview that I have, all you, like more than two people with me, and I can feel the vibe, and I can see the set, how you guys, interact in the set. He's excited, you are annoyed sometimes, but you go along with it. And then he's just happy because he's with the two of you guys.
He got 2 awards.
So, yeah, he got 2 awards. Basically, I can see the vibe, and I can wait to see that movie. I haven't seen the movie. So tell us about the movie. Where can we catch the movie, and when can we catch it?
Well, I'm actually going to let everyone know January 12th is the official release date of Boston to Philly. And we're going to be available on almost every single platform. We're currently pitching it to Netflix and Hulu, and we're still waiting for the official confirmation if BET wants to give us TV syndication for the film. So we're going to wait and get that answer, but that's where we are now.
Nice, guys. Congratulations.
Thank you.
I'm so happy for you guys. I'm not in the movie. I'm happy.
The next one. He's in the next one.
Yeah, I'll be in the next one. I'll play New York. I'll play New York in the movie. Yeah, you know how it is. I spent a little time in New York. So, guys, again, congratulations. And then I hope to see you guys on the screen again. And I hope to see you guys next year. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. And then this is Sanders Boston. I think that's it for me. I'll see you guys next year. Please. Peace.